So, good morning, all the students. Today we are discuss your important topic is a pharmacology. So, in this topic we are discuss about the introduction of the pharmacology. So, let us start the what is the objective of the pharmacology is a relationship with the other science. So, the word is a pharmacology is a derivative from the Greek word pharmakon. Pharmakon is a drug or poison. So, logy is a science. So, the meaning of the pharmacology is a pharmacology is a deals with the faith, fact and action of a drug at the various level, like a molecule, cellular, organ, and as well as the whole body in any animal species. So it can be effect on the living system is it can be a live on the earth like a humans and as well as in animals and other microorganisms. So main objective of the pharmacology in this study we are discuss like a pharmacodynamic how the drug act on the body, and other one is a pharmacokinetic how the body act on the drugs. So we are discuss both. So pharmacology is the study of the pharmacodynamic and as well as the pharmacokinetic. So on the other hand, so drug indicators and applications. So last one is the pharma and drug interaction and unwanted adverse effect. Unwanted adverse effect, what is that? Drug is effect on the body like a treatment, and as well as the what is the adverse effect on the body. So pharmacology is the basic of the pharmacotherapeutics. Like I already told you what is the pharmacology. Pharma is a drug and logy is a knowledge of a drug. So pharmacology is this study of a science of a drug. Pharmacology is the science of a drug is a derivative from the two word. I already told you two word is a pharmakon. Pharmakon is a Greek word of a drug or poison. Logy is a it also Greek word from the science. Science is it can be a combination of pharmacology. It is a knowledge about the drug and knowledge about the chemical substance. So it is the study of the action of a drug on the living system. I already told you living system is the animal living system, microorganism and human bodies also. So it including in a physically chemically property of a drug and as well as a biochemicals and physiological effect. Drug is an effect on the mechanism action and therapeutic use. Therapeutic use, it can be a cure of the number of a disease. It can be treatment of the number of a disease. So how to use and how to use as the applications of the drugs. So on the last hand is the adverse effect on the drug. Adverse effect on the drug. What is the drug is a harmful effect on the body and on the body system. So, in the nutshell, pharmacology is the base of a pharmacotherapeutics. Therapeutics is the treatment of a disease with the drug. So, it is the overlap is extensively with the pharmacy. So, it is a pharmacy. The science of a drug is the production. So, what is the drug? So mainly, so drug is any chemical substance that affect on the process on the living system. Living system it can be live on the earth like a microorganism, animal and human body. So the main branches of the pharmacology like a fundamentally pharmacology specific in, so it can be what is the effect on the organ pharmacology and experimental pharmacology and clinically pharmacology. These are the number of branches. So I already told you what is the main branches of the pharmacology. Like a basic it can be a fundamental of the pharmacology. Special it can be used for the organic pharmacology. Experimental it can be a number of drug testing on the animal. So it can be experimental pharmacology. Clinically we can use of the drugs. It can be used for the human treatment. So biochemical pharmacology, immunopharmacology, parental pharmacology, genetical pharmacology and pharmacokinetic etc. So these are the number of branches. So history of the pharmacology. So the accidental, so it can be use of the oldest age. So how to treatment of plant and how to treatment of number of disease. So it can be basic on the history of pharmacology. So mainly history of a pharmacology is a knowledge of a drug and their use in the disease and as old as the history of the mankind. So preventally is a man is greater the knowledge of a healing and medicines by observing the nature. So not noting the animals while ills and person is experienced after the consuming plant and herbal and remedies. So these are the history of the pharmacology. So like in the period in the oldest age in the 1920 discovery of the insulin and vitamins. So 1930 is a modern anesthesia. It can be discovered on the plant behalf on the testing of a drug. 1940 is a penicillin. You already know it is a Alexander Fleming is it can be a accidentally discover of the penicillin. So pharmacokinetic is the main fundamentals basic on the pharmacology. So pharmacokinetic is the description of the time course of a drug in the body. So uncomparing and absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. So these are the fundamentals how to drug way of the body like absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. So mainly pharmacokinetic and pharmacology it is the basic fundamental unit. I already told you what is the pharmacology. So this study of how the drug affect a biological system. So it can be divided into two parts. First one is the pharmacokinetic. Pharmacokinetic is the what the body does to the drug. So on the other hand pharmacodynamic what the drug does to the body. So it can be two branches of the pharmacology. So mainly dose of a drug is the administration. So it can be absorption and drug is a concentration in the systematic circulation. It can be a distribution. So last one is a drug is a concentration at the site of a action and it can be a pharmacologically effect. So last one is a drug concentration in the systematic circulation and last one is drug metabolism or excretion. So it can be elimination of drug. So again I will repeat what is the pharmacokinetic and what is the pharmacodynamic. So dose of a drug is the administration. It can be a process of the absorption and drug is a concentration in the systematically circulation. It can be divided into two parts. First one is the distribution. Distribution is the drug in the systematically distribute. So it is a part of the pharmacokinetic. And on the other hand drug is a concentration at the site of action. So it can be show the pharmacologically effect on the living system. So it is a part of the pharmacodynamic. So it can be used like a clinically response. So clinically response is both like a efficacy and as well as a toxicity. So it can be a show the both action like a pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic. So clinically response it can be a dependence on the doses of the form. So it can be show the both effect toxicity effect and efficacy effect. So the relationship between the dose and effect can be separated into the pharmacokinetic. Pharmacokinetic is the dose concentration. So pharmacodynamic is the concentration effect. Is the compound is the concentration is the provide in the link between the pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic. Both are similar and it can be show the both action parallel like a distribution and excretion and drug concentration at the site of action and drug elimination of the time. So it can be a distribution of the parallel side. So mainly pharmacodynamic is the focus of a target concentration. Target concentration like a drug concentration at the site of a action and it can be show the pharmacologically effect like a toxicity effect and efficacy concentration. So target concentration is approved to the relationship dosing. So the three primarily process of the pharmacokinetic like absorption, distribution and elimination and pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic. So pharmacodynamic is the study of the biochemical and physiological effect of the drug in the certain period. So it is a behalf on, it can be a description as what the drug does to the body. Drug to the body, like a drug is how to bind to the receptor and show the effect of a drug on the living system, and response of a drug on the behalf of the what is a drug absorption and site of the action. So it can be show the response to drug, like a toxicity effect and efficacy subject. It can be show the both effect on the how to drug reach on the site of the tissue. So like it can be a toxicity and adverse effect of the drug. So last one is a drug development and approved. So these are the processes can be divided around the preclinically testing, clinically trial and post marketing. So these are the number of phases we are discussed, like phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 study. So these are the process of a drug development and approve of the drug. So next lecture we are discuss about the further study. So thank you very much.